We had been doing adjectives. Now I'll give you few sentences and we'll circle out the adjectives. Identify and circle the adjectives. Circle the adjectives. In these sentences. Can you see the blue sky? Can you see the blue sky? I like few children, or I like few toys. I like few books. Yeah, that's better. I like few books. Next I have a lion is a brave animal. A lion is a brave animal. A dog is always faithful to his master. A dog is always faithful to his master. A dog is always faithful to his master. A girl gave a loud cry. A girl gave a loud cry. Girl gave a loud cry when she fell. When she fell. I do not like tight clothes. I do not like tight clothes. Which book are you reading? Which book are you reading? Few men come to meet the king. Few men came to meet the king. Ranchit was the last boy to get a turn. Ranchit was the last boy. The last boy to get a turn. to get a turn. Every girl performed her best. Every girl performed her best. Now what are we going to do? We have 10 sentences here. Circle the adjectives in these sentences. Can you see the blue sky? I like few books. A lion is a brave animal. A dog is always faithful to his master. A girl gave a loud cry when she fell. I do not like tight clothes. Which book are you reading? Few men came to meet the king. Ranjit was the last boy to get her turn. Every girl performed her best. So we have 10 sentences, and what we are asked to do here is circle the adjectives in each of these sentences. Now, can you see the sky? So what is the adjective here? Blue. Can you see the blue sky? Blue. I like books. I like few books, not all the books. A lion is an animal and it is a brave. So, brave animal. A dog is always faithful to his master. Faithful. Good. The girl gave a cry when she fell. What kind? Loud cry. Loud cry. I do not like clothes. What kind of clothes? Tight clothes. I do not like tight clothes. Which book are you reading? Which book are you reading? Which? Interrogative. Okay. Now, few men came to meet the king. How many men? Few. Number. Adjectives of number. Ranjit was the boy to get her turn, to get the last turn. He was the last boy to get a turn. Every girl, adjective of number, every girl performed her best. So here we have learned all the adjective 6 types, and here we have 10 sentences. We learn to identify adjectives in every sentence. Can you see the blue sky? Describe. I like few books. A lion is a brave animal. So, blue, few, brave. A dog is always faithful to his master. Faithful. The girl gave a loud cry. Loud. I do not like tight clothes. Tight. Which book are you reading? Which? Few men came to meet the king. Few. Ranjit was the last boy to get a turn. Last. Every girl performed her best. Every. So in all these sentences, blue, few, brave, faithful, loud, tight. Which? Few, last, every. These are the adjectives that we have circled.